Ducks. Ducks. Cats.
Duck.
Oh, we were ducks on the previous page. Sheep. Bah. I think she's done with the book.
You want to dance? Dance! Good job. Dance!
I'm not dancing.
You were dancing a second ago. Will you give that to Daddy? Let's give that to Dada.
Can I have it?
No. Dancing. Dancing with the baby Motrin.
Can I have that, please? Can you hand it to me?
Okay. Say all done. Ainsley, can you say bye? Ainsley, can you say bye? Oh, good job. You say bye-bye again? Give kisses? Give kisses? No? Okay. Bye.